Okay, good. So, yes. So the first question is what? The first question is, if the radius is 3.06, so which is this one, which is 3.06 millimeter, right? So actually, they give you the radius. This 3.06 millimeter is the radius of what? This is the radius of what? The cone or the sphere?
The
We look at the diagram.
sphere?
Yes, it's for the sphere. Why? Because can you see that the radius for the cone is actually 1.6? Can you see the radius of the cone?
Yeah.
Which is how much? 1.6, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. So, yeah. So with the formula, the volume of the hemisphere. So how do you find the volume of the hemisphere? That first question, volume of the hemisphere.
Use the
Yep. What's the
2
formula for volume of hemisphere?
2/3 pi r square.
Where do you get this formula from?
I asked my teacher.
A hemisphere leh. Volume leh. You ask your teacher. Why you need to ask your teacher? I thought we have the formula the other time, and I asked you to note it down, right? What's the formula for volume? Now you see, you don't know the formula, and then you expect yourself to 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 be able to do the question. Come on, what takes you so long?
Uh, two
Mm-hmm.
over 3.
I'm talking about volume of hemisphere. Huh? Volume. I'm asking you to take a look at the notebook. What are you looking at now?
I'm looking at the notebook.
Yes. So what you have? Never mind. Use your phone. Take a picture. WhatsApp over. I want to see your formulas. By the way, I'm asking for volume here. Oh yeah. Continue. What's the formula for volume? Can you read to me what's the formula for volume
Uh,
from your notebook?
is
Just read it off your notebook. What are you waiting for, Charmaine? Read it off your notebook. Unless you tell me you are not reading your notebook, you are reading something else.
I only have the volumes. I only have like.
Just tell me what you have. Read it off your notebook. Stop
I don't
wasting
have the
time.
volume of hemisphere here.
Then what you have, just read what you have.
I got volume of cylinder.
Yeah.
Then I got volume of prism.
Yes. What else do you have? You don't have, then how do you expect yourself to know how to solve questions? Come on. You see, that's your problem. You don't even have the formula, and then you expect yourself to solve the questions? And you don't bother to find the volume of the hemisphere formula? You expect me to spoon feed you? While you can actually go and Google what's the formula for volume of hemisphere? Huh?
I also did Google.
Yep, so what you have? From Google.
They say
Mm.
bracket 2/3 bracket
Hold on.
pi r
Stop,
cube.
stop, stop. 2/3 pi. Pi what?
Pi r cube.
Pi r cube. Okay, so if this is the formula, what you have here? Open.
R square.
Why you give me pi r square then? Why? Did you not say you go and Google the formula is 2/3 pi r cube? Why you give me pi r square? Why? Explain. Huh? Why? What form? Whose formula is this? Pi r square. Answer my question. Don't waste my time.
I asked someone for help.
Your teacher? You don't accuse your teacher. Your teacher will give you the right formula. It's you are the problem. So what's the formula?
2/3 pi r cube.
Very good. So 2/3 pi times the radius 3.06. Okay, can you punch the calculator? So this will be the volume of the sphere. Oh, sorry, hemisphere. Half.
$60.03 significant figure.
Nice. Actually, you don't have to go and find the volume of, you don't have to go and find the formula for volume of hemisphere, because you can just find the volume of sphere, then divide by 2, because it's half sphere, right? Does it make sense? Does it make sense? You go and find the volume of sphere and then you divide by 2. Does it make sense or not? Are you listening? I am asking you, does it make sense? You just go and find the volume of a ball and then you go and divide by 2. Does it make sense? That will give you the hemisphere. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
So why is it so hard? So next time, how you find the hemisphere volume?
You take volume of a sphere.
Which was the formula for that? Okay. If I see you face to face, or if I look at your notes and you don't have the formula for sphere, you're not going to solve this question then.
For sphere is
Yes.
4/3.
So volume of sphere.
So 4/3 pi r cube.
Very good. So this is something you need to note down. I use V of this shape doesn't mean you can use, because if you use this, if you don't understand, it's useless. I look at this, I understand. You can probably just note it down. Can you note it down now?
Yeah.
If you don't understand what I'm writing, you better go and use your own words. Okay? You are responsible for what you write down. You need to write down in a manner that you understand. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. I write down V of the ball. I do like this, I understand. So I don't know whether you understand or not. So you just write down something that you understand. Are you done?
Yeah.
Good. So if this is the volume of the sphere, so you are asking for hemisphere, what you do?
You take the volume of the sphere.
Yes.
Then you divide by 2.
Correct. Okay, so that's how you figure out. So next, find the volume of the whole figure. So how do you find the volume of the whole figure? Part B.
You use the
Mm.
cone.
Yep.
You need to find the cone first.
Yep. The cone volume. So what is the formula for volume of cone? Okay, I can do it this way, doesn't mean you can do it this way because I understand my own drawing. So volume of cone, what's the formula?
Volume of cone. Volume of cone is
Mm-hmm.
pi
Mm.
r square h over 3.
H over 3. Can you repeat? Volume
Pi
of
r
cone formula.
pi r square
Very good.
h
H.
over 3.
Okay, good. So I think you have the pi. Do you have the r? What's the r in this case?
The 1.6.
Okay, 1.6 square. So what's the h? Do you have the h? What's the h? What's the meaning of h? I don't understand what's h.
Height.
Height. Where's the height? Can you draw the height for me to see? Which one is the height of the cone in the figure?
Oh my.
You can. Yep. You have to choose the right thickness. Very good. Is the height given?
No.
No. But can you find? Can you find or not?
Yes.
Huh? How? How to find the height? I have drawn for you already. How do you find the height? So it's like you take this triangle out. So the height is here. Then this is 3.8. This is 1.6. How do you find the height? How do you find the height here? And this is angle triangle.
Half times. You need to use the
Hmm.
half time base time height.
That one give you what?
To give you a
I want to find height. Look at the screen. How do you find height from this figure? Come on.
is
Yep. Pythagoras theorem.
square.
Yes. So which one is your A? Label. Can you label here? Which one is your A? Which one is your B? Which one is your C? Label in the diagram. Okay, very good. Can you form a formula to find your, in this case, your height, which is the A? Go ahead. Continue. Looks nice. Looks okay. Very good. Correct. That's the height. Okay? And by the way, wait. Your final answer is 3.45 3 significant figure. But before you write down your final answer, you need to write down everything out. 3.45 what? Can you write down all the entire string of numbers? Because if you don't write down the entire string of number, nobody knows whether your three significant figure is correct or not. Understand or not?
Yeah.
Can you write down the number from your calculator? So basically you need this step. Wait, is it 3.4351128?
Yeah, 3.435112807.
Okay, then if this is the case, how come you get 3.43 after three significant figure? You are trying to bluff me, right?
No,
How-
because 5.
5 what? 5 give 1 to the in front. So it's 3.45.
Yeah.
Do it now. Do it now. Do it here. Three significant figures. And you still say yeah. You don't write it down, you want to bluff me. You cannot do it mentally. Please use your calculator. So what's the answer now? Quick. Are you using a calculator? Quickly.
Yeah.
What's the answer? Write down. Show me the step. What are you waiting for? I'm waiting for your answer. What are you waiting for? So what's the answer? That's the reason why you want to bluff me, right? 3.45. You want to bluff me, right? Purposely skip this one. You want to bluff me, right?
No, I count wrongly.
Yeah lah, you count wrongly. Okay, yes. The reason that you count wrongly because you don't want to write down the answer first. That's why when you don't write down the answer, you will count wrongly or you will have other kinds of mistakes. Next time, before you round off, you always write down the original answer. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now when you have this, so the answer is 3.44. So when it comes to the H, you need to use the original answer, which is here. So when you write the H, you don't write 3.44. You don't use the round off answer. You use the original 3.4351128. Understand? Then after that, over 3. And this will give you the volume of the cone. What are you waiting for?
I'm calculating.
Yes, nice. You should. What's the answer?
5.
Yep, good. Fill it up. Nice. Okay, good. Yep, write down the original answer first. Then before you round off. And when you do the rounding off, right, you use a pencil during exams. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you want to save time, you don't have to write 3 significant, you just 3 SF to save time a bit. Okay, so basically this is the volume of the cone, and then this is the volume of the hemisphere. So the total is add up, right? Right? So
Yeah.
it's 60 plus the 5.76, right? So it's 65.76. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now comes to the last part. Find the surface area. How to find the surface area? How many surface you have here? Remember the strategy for surface area? Can you remember the strategy or not?
It's the
Hmm.
top, bottom.
Yep. So over here, you don't anyhow say, okay, over here, they might not have the top, they might not have the left, they might not have the right. So you need to really use the strategy accordingly. Okay, so what do you have in this case? Can you move a little bit down? Because I'm down already. Here. I'm writing here. So, okay, do you have the top?
No.
So, then what do you consider this black one? You consider the black one as what? So basically we say we need to use top, base, then front, then back, and then left and right, right?
Yeah.
So you consider this black one what? Here. Which one? Which one you consider it? Huh?
Oh.
Top. Then you say no top. So this top is a what shape? Huh? By the way, we are talking about area now, surface area. So this top is what shape? Half what? This top is what shape? Half what? Hello? Half what? What shape is this?
Semicircle.
Yes. Semicircle? Semicircle is this one. I'm talking about what shape is this thing? This is half of what? The black one. The black one is a what?
Crescent.
What's that? Crescent? You read the question. This black one is what? You read the question.
The hemisphere.
Yes. So hemisphere is a half what? Half of?
Sphere.
Yes. So the top is half of sphere. We are not talking about semicircle. Do you know why? Do you know why this is not considered semicircle? Do you know why or not?
Semicircle.
Semicircle is 2D. What is 2D? 2D means, can you see that this black one is a ball that cut half?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you need to read the question. By the way, it says it's a hemisphere, so it's half of sphere. So how do you find the surface area of a sphere? First, then you divide by 2. So how do you find the surface area? So basically surface area of sphere. Surface A of sphere. What's the formula? Do you have the formula in hand?
Surface area of the sphere.
Yes. Do you have that in hand? Yes or no? So
No.
if you don't have, do you think you can solve?
No.
Then it's all about the formula. If you don't have the formula, you can't solve anything. Simple as that. You better get this surface area, sphere, volume, everything down on your notebook. You don't